Body wax is a painful hair removing option. Hair removal creams have their own range of side effects, but hair removal soap are a no mess hair removing option for women who love TD and soft skin. Use this coconut milk soap. This amazing hair removal soap is rich in milk and cream. It deeply cleans and skin against hair from legs and arms. How to use? First, work up some lather for 2 minutes. Secondly, leave it on for next 2 minutes. Finally, clean with lukewarm water and pat the skin to dry. The end result, glowing hair skin that is soft and hydrated. Its unique milk-rich formula looks moisture and doesn't dry to skin upon use. It can also be used for belly hair removal also. Caution: don't use these soap on face.